Hi, I'm Junjun. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to do a taste test about this gluten-free baking flour. I do not have the gluten issues, so I'm not going to use this for baking. When I lived in China, I never heard about the gluten issues or gluten allergy. At least the people who surround me, they don't have the gluten allergy. But after I came to the United States, and I realized a lot of people has gluten issues. So when you go to the market, they even have the separate aisle called gluten-free aisle. You can get a lot of goodies. I like to try all different kinds of food. So I like to try gluten-free food. Some of them are actually pretty good, but some of them just like, I prefer the regular flour. Okay, let's check out the ingredients in this gluten-free baking flour. Right here. Can you see it? It contains sweet rice flour, whole grain brown rice flour, potato starch, whole grain sorghum flour, tapioca flour, and xanthan gum. It is really interesting. Why I buy this flour? Because when I saw the first two ingredients, I immediately thought like I can use this to make rice cake. Because the rice cake made from sweet rice flour and whole grain rice flour. But I never tried this baking flour before, so I don't know this texture. Let's give it a quick try. It does smell like sweet rice flour. I'm gonna put a little bit in the bowl. Add a little bit of water into it. Put this in the microwave for about 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, cooked in the microwave. It's sticky. I think it's because that's sweet rice flour and xanthan gum. I'll put some oil in my hand. So I'm gonna take this out. All sticky on my hand. This is a texture I actually expect, and it's gonna be perfect for making the rice cake. As you can see, the color is not as white as the rice cake because it contains the whole grain brown rice flour. It's not white rice flour. It's okay as long as the texture tastes like the rice cake. Let me taste it. It is so good. I like it. It is so chewy and it bounces in your mouth. It tastes more like between rice cake and mochi. Alright, I guess we can use it to make a rice cake. I'm so excited right now. I love food. I love to try the new stuff. And today we found out this gluten-free baking flour. I like it and I have a clue how to use it. You need 2 cups of the gluten-free baking flour. You can use any kind of gluten-free baking flour as long as it contains sweet rice flour and whole grain rice flour. If you can find the one with whole grain rice flour, not the whole grain brown rice flour, even better. Because the color will look like more whiter, not brown. But the texture should be similar. And I'm going to put a ½ teaspoon salt, hot boiling water. I'm making the rice cake dough. It is a little bit hot. Rice cake dough. Use a plastic wrap. Cover it, leaving a little gap to release the steam, and cook this in microwave for 2.5 minutes. Time to pound this dough. The texture of this dough is kind of sticky, so I'm going to put some oil on the cutting board. You can use sesame oil or just a regular vegetable oil. Use this meat tenderizer hammer to pound the dough. Now we're going to roll it. Chill this in the fridge until it's firm and cool and I can slice it. smells delicious. I just used the hot water and a spicy hot pot sauce, cooked this rice cake. If you are interested about this homemade spicy hot pot sauce, I'm gonna leave the link down below. Look at that. My gluten-free friends, this is another recipe for you to eat gluten-free baking flour. This flour is not just for baking, you can make it for rice cake. And it's so delicious. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you're enjoying it. And please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.